There are rumors that life can be easier for us moms. Ha 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 ha. Oh, that's just wow. With the help of Milk and Eggs, my favorite online grocery store, I'm gonna try out microwave tricks. Apparently, in a microwave, you can scramble your eggs. Form over style. A little salt, a little pepper, a little salt. I'm gonna have to pick that up later. Letting out my aggressions. Microwave them for 45 seconds. It's microwaving. Stir and fluff. And then put it back in for another 30 to 45 seconds. Oh, those are good. It works. See? I love it.